Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video basically our topic is alkynes, but I'll be first telling you about alkenes and alkenes if you have not seen the previous video. So I'll just summarize it here once. So alkanes, they have a general formula CnH2n plus 2. Alkanes are the saturated compounds because all the bonds are satisfied with the hydrogen. Fine. Alkenes, like for example, first you see here they have only and only single bond, no double, no triple. So if there are all single bond, it tells us that it belongs to alkenes. Like we write methane, ethane, propane, butane. Meth, eth, prop, but tells us the number of carbon atom, that is the value of the n. Fine. Ethane tells us that it belongs to alkane group. So this is all about alkanes, and this I've told you in my first part of the video. If you haven't seen that, please go and see. Meth tells us the number of carbon atoms and ane tells us the group to which it belongs. And hydrogen, this also I've told, hydrogen, they always and always they form single bond, and oxygen they form double bond. Fine. Now alkenes, they are unsaturated compounds because they have at least two carbon atoms, that is at least one double bond is there. Matlab two carbon atoms are there which form two, matlab double bond. Fine. So meth tells us that number is n is equal to 1, and ene tells us that it belongs to alkene. Unsaturated क्यों है अभी के लिए इतना समझो, because it forms double bond and the double bond is not as stable as this single bond. I'll tell you the difference at the end. So now let us come to the main funda of the day, that is alkynes. So अब जैसे कि एल्कीन्स की हमें पता चलता है, एल्कीन्स हैं कि उसमें एटलीस्ट दो कार्बन एटम्स होते हैं विच फॉर्म डबल बॉन्ड. ठीक है. एल्कीन्स के बारे में कैसे पता चलता है? इफ़ वी वांट टू आइडेंटिफाई इट फ्रॉम द स्ट्रक्चर, या तो आप कार्बन हाइड्रोजन काउंट कर लो. अगर हाइड्रोजन कार्बन से दो ज़्यादा है तो मतलब उसके डबल से दो ज़्यादा है तो वो एल्केन है. एक तो ये तरीका है. दूसरा इज़ लाइक यू कैन काउंट दैट ऑल द बॉन्ड्स आर सिंगल बॉन्ड. एक ये तरीका है. दो तरीके हो गए. सिमिलरली एल्कीन्स का भी आप ऐसे देख सकते हो. या तो देख लो कि हाइड्रोजन एटम्स आर एग्जैक्ट डबल ऑफ द कार्बन. एक तो ये तरीका है. दूसरा देख लो कि एटलीस्ट ये दूसरा तरीका है कि यू कैन सी दैट कि दो ऐसे बॉन्ड हैं जो डबल बना रहे हैं. एल्काइंस का एक ये तरीका है कि ये इसका जनरल फॉर्मूला होता है n डबल ऑफ n माइनस टू, कि डबल से दो कम है, डबल से टू कम है. ठीक है. या एक तो ये तरीका हो गया आइडेंटिफाई करने का फ्रॉम द स्ट्रक्चर. नेम से तो पता चल ही जाएगा बिकॉज यहाँ आपको आइन दिख जाएगा, वहाँ ईन दिख जाएगा, वहाँ एन दिख जाएगा. वो तो बहुत सिंपल है. ठीक है. वो तो बहुत काफ़ी आसान है. वो तो एटलीस्ट यहाँ पे टू कार्बन एटम्स होने चाहिए जो ट्रिपल बॉन्ड बनाते हैं, है ना. ये तो सिंपल हो गया बिकॉज वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन एल्केन्स, एल्कीन्स, एल्काइंस, तो काफ़ी सिंपल हो गया. तो चलो नाउ लेट्स अस फर्स्ट, इसमें मिथाइन का नहीं बनता है. देखो आप खुद देख लो. C2N इज की वैल्यू 2 है. 2 2 ज़ा 4, 4 माइनस 2. So it always starts with ethyne, not with methine. So value of the eth is 2, मतलब n की value 2. So C2, 2 into 2, as it is a general formula वैसे ही apply करना है. 2 minus 2, 2 into 2 minus 2, C2, and see here it should be, sorry I've written here wrong, n is equal to 1, so C1 H 2 into 1 and minus, so it will be 0. So ये तो हाइड्रोकार्बन बना ही नहीं ना. You see here 2 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 2, it will be C2H2. Put two carbon atom, जैसे हम पिछले में करते आ रहे हैं वैसे ही हम यहाँ पे वैसे ही करेंगे. So first see that it's ethyne, first it's ine is written, and eth means two carbon atoms are there, two carbon, and यहाँ पे देखो डबल की टू कम है, दैट मीन्स सेम ओनली. C2H2. So this is the one way that you can tell कि हाँ it is belonging to alkyne group. Other way is by drawing the structure. Okay, alkynes they have triple bond. Fine. Basically you will be not be able to draw the structure if you don't know the name. Name कैसे पता चलेगा कि आप देखो सबसे पहले कार्बन कितने हैं. Okay, so now count down the number of hydrogen. Are they 2 less than double? Are they double or they 2 more than double? अगर 2 more than double है तो they are alkanes. If they are exactly double, Alkenes, if they are 2 less than double, then they are alkynes. तो अगर नेम नहीं दिया है, सिर्फ ये फॉर्मूला दिया है, फिर आप ऐसे आइडेंटिफाई करोगे. तो मैंने आपको हर एक तरीके से बता दिया, यहाँ से कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करना है, यहाँ से कैसे करना है, यहाँ से कैसे करना है. एल्काइंस में एक ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होता है, एल्कीन्स में एक डबल बॉन्ड होता है, एंड एल्केन्स हैव 1 सिंगल बॉन्ड. So see, alkynes they have 1 triple bond, so we have only 2 carbon atoms, so at least two carbon atoms should form triple bond. So make here triple bond. This requires 1 more bond to complete it tetravalency, isn't it? Fine. This also require 1 more. You can put it here, you can put it here, you can put it here. I am putting it here. You can even put it here. That will not make any difference. Difference will be made when you know, keep it, when there will be 4 single bonds will not be present here. Then you can say that it's not correct. So first, now you can count. Is it satisfying this? C2H2. Yes. C2. 2 carbon atoms. 2 hydrogen. Yes. Now, you draw along with me for propynes, butane, and sorry, I have written here also propyne. It should be pentyne. So we'll draw for all 3. You draw along with me. So now let us draw for butane. What is the general formula? See, its ine means it belongs to alkyne group. Its but means value of N is 4. Means butane. Butane. What is the general formula of alkyne? CnH2n minus 2. Double say 2. Come. So value of N is 4. C4. H2 into 4 minus 2. C4H6. Fine. As I told you, number of carbon atom, put them in a straight line because they are open chain compounds. At least 2 should have, at least 1 bond should be there, which is a triple bond. Then only we can say it's alkyne. Put it here, put it here, put it here. I am putting it here. Fine. Baki sare single, है ना? Now see, now check each carbon one by one, that how can we go about the tetravalency? How can we complete it? 1 single bond, how many more we require? 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 bonds are there now, satisfied. We'll put hydrogen over there because इधर formula में सिर्फ hydrogen ही है हमारे पास. For this carbon, tetravalency is complete. 1, 2, 3, 4. For this carbon also 1, 2, 3, 4. What about this carbon? Only 1. We require 3 more. We put hydrogen, 3 more hydrogens we put, and this is the structure of butane. Not so simple, है ना? Okay. Now let us draw for the next in the same way, that is pentyne, and then we'll end. So pentyne means, pent means 5, value of N is 5, ine means it belongs to alkyne. General formula is CnH2n minus 2, C5H8, 5 carbon atom, put them in a straight line. Fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. कोई भी 2 कार्बन एटम्स के बीच में एक ट्रिपल बॉन्ड बना दो, यहाँ बनाओ, यहाँ बनाओ, यहाँ बनाओ, यहाँ बनाओ, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आई एम मेकिंग इट हेयर. ठीक है. बाकी सब में सिंगल. Now let us adjust the hydrogens. How? See, this is having only 1 bond. It requires 3 more. I'll put 3 hydrogens. Hydrogen makes only single bond. Hydrogen satisfied, carbon satisfied. Here 2 are there. I'll put 2 more. Fine. All 4 are satisfied. For this carbon atom also 4 bond is satisfied. For this 3 are remaining. Count the number of hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 satisfied. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 satisfied. Triple bond. If I want to identify from here, I can take 2 methods can be taken. आप देखो सबसे पहले count कर लो carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carbon is 5. Okay. Count the hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you see that are hydrogens 2 more than double, or are they exactly double, or they are 2 less than double? So if you see here, hydrogens are 2 less than double, which clearly shows that, which clearly tells you that it's belonging to alkyne group.